In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Teams online in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or simply need a refresher on accessing it online, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, to access Microsoft Teams online, you will need to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. It's a straightforward process. Just open your favorite web browser and type in the web address for Microsoft Teams, which is available on Microsoft's official website. It's important to note that you can do this on any device that has internet access and a web browser, making Microsoft Teams incredibly accessible no matter where you are. Once you're on the Microsoft Teams website, the next step is to sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually prominently displayed on the page. Clicking on it will take you to the Sign In page. This is where you will need to enter your credentials. If you're using Teams for work or school, you'll typically enter your work or school email and password. If you're signing in for personal use, use your personal Microsoft account details. Signing in is a breeze, but if you encounter any issues, double check that you're entering the correct information or use the password recovery options Microsoft provides. Upon successfully signing in, congratulations! You've accessed Microsoft Teams online. From here, the world of Teams is at your fingertips. You can join meetings, collaborate on projects, chat with colleagues or classmates, and much more. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, but take some time to explore and familiarize yourself with the various features and settings available to you. There's a lot that Teams offers to enhance productivity and collaboration. One more tip before we wrap up. If you plan on using Teams frequently, consider bookmarking the Teams webpage in your browser. This makes it even quicker to access next time you need to jump into a meeting or check your messages. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to access Microsoft Teams online, sign in, and navigate the initial interface. Microsoft Teams is a powerful tool for collaboration, and now that you know how to get online and get started, you're all set to make the most of it. Remember, whether you're working remotely or just staying connected with people, Teams offers a flexible platform to meet, chat, and collaborate from anywhere. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Happy collaborating,